Hi guys, if you are looking for a way to make your mic quieter and less sensitive and you have people or kids and you are trying to record during the day or just in general, and to fix this you would have to go here and get a mic filter, mic filter. You're gonna add gain, noise suppression, and noise gate. This allows it for like people that are beside you that you want in your video, and it doesn't allow like background noises, like if you have a kid or a dog and they're not up close personal to the mic, then they're not going to be picked up. This is an excellent feature, by the way. And I finally now just got my mic fixed. Like the TV is going right now and it's like on volume 16 and you can't even really hear it. So yeah.